Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Omemee is a peaceful community in the Kawartha Lakes region, located between Peterborough and Lindsay along Highway 7. Though it's small, Omemee has a big story. Its name comes from the Mississauga word Omemee, which means pigeon. In fact, this area used to be hunting grounds for the Omemee First Nation many years ago. This town grew up in the 19th century thanks to mills along the Pigeon River. The arrival of the Port Hope, Lindsay, and Beaverton Railway in 1857 turned Omemee into a busy hub for shipping timber and grain. Back in those days, the town had everything you could imagine: mills, hotels, schools, and even a newspaper. Even though times have changed, the charm of Omemee hasn't. These days, it's a favorite spot for both locals and seasonal visitors, with many people enjoying the area's peaceful lakes, including beautiful places like Lancaster Bay. Whether you're boating, fishing, or just soaking in the scenery, there's something magical about this little corner of Ontario.
watching.